Hi, welcome. My name is Yemisi. Today I want to give you a video showing you the two different kind of lights that you can use if you don't want to use a ring light. So it's called the red head light. So this is the packaging it comes in. This is the box. The red head light. So it has an adjustable hand here, and you have this as well. Then you have this that can open up depending on how wide you want to open it, or you can adjust it and just leave it. So you can direct the way you want the light to go. Then it has this iron metal mesh. I don't know if you can see. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Okay, so that's it. So this is the orange one. So this is the stand. Any regular stand you use, as long as you can carry the weight of the light. You can use your red stand for your ring light as well. So I'm going to set this up. Take it out. And open it up. Part here, then you can unscrew. Open it up and then just open. Extend to how you want the base to be, and then so I'll put it up and then this is really extending. So there's another strap here that you can use to release this. So once you get to the height you want, you can screw back to the go back and forth. And the two stands. Can you see? It's two stands, very similar. So this is the one. So this comes with an adapter like this, and then this is the way the head looks. Okay, can you see? Here it's going to go in here. So you press this. Make sure that you unscrew this out a lot. This screw is screwed out all the way so that there's nothing, like no screw inside. You get. So you put it on top of this like this, go all the way. Can you see? And then you hold this one down like this to be sure that it has entered. Can you see the way it went all the way in? Cover all these metal parts and come all the way down like that. And then you now put it to screw. So that's how to make sure that it's secure. And then you screw. Can you see? Put tight. It's secure on top of it. This is what you have. It's securely mounted, and then this is the red head. You can now adjust to any light you want with it. So that's that for this. So I'll do the same thing quickly with this as well. Okay, so this one is called Stage Light DTR 800 100 to 240 volts. Then this one is the, I don't know if you can read it. So this is different. This is the one you need to get. This is the dimmable one. This is the one you need to get if you have makeup artist that just want something like. So if you look at, it also has this, and then it also has this. So you just small. So the same features, but this one is LED light. It's 50 watts and 125 to 265 volts. So let me put it on so you can see. The same way we did this one. There's a hole there. You stand. Put it in. So you see, make sure that it's secure all the way, and then you can now screw. So I'm going to put on the two lights now so you can see. So the same features. This is the same thing, but now the difference now is the head here is not the wire mesh you have here. Can you see? Let me bring them close to each other. So this is a wire mesh, and then this is like a flat LED light. So I'm going to put on the two lights for you to see now. So for this one, it has a control button here. And this is the on and off switch for this one. So this is on. So and then I can control the intensity I want with this one. So can you see? So this gives an orange light. Can you see? It's orange, so it's not pure white. And If you're not careful, it's really very hot. And this one also has a control button. That's this one. This particular light also has its own control button as well, which is this one. So, but at the back, that's where you can actually increase or decrease it. So this is what it looks like. This is the knob. I don't know if you can see that. This is the knob. So you control with the knob. So let me turn and then see. So this, it's on already. So this is white light and it's soft. So you can actually, this light is just like your ring light, but a bit more direct and it's a bit more powerful. Like this is really, can you see? But it's not hot at all. But I cannot try that with this light. Can you see? So it gives a white finish. So you can have this very beautiful for videos. Very, can you see? So that's how. So you can control. You can take it up. Can you see? Take it up. You know, point it away, point it. So you can work with this however you deem fit or you're comfortable. And it is not hot at all. This is perfect, like a ring light, the LED, so it's not hot, and it's 50 watts. That's a lot, you know. So then there's this, the other one, which is the stage lights, which I don't think would work for you. But okay, this is the stage light. This is really hot. Can you see? So I can increase. I can increase. I can decrease. But this light is hot. But the difference is that this is orange and that is white, and this is really hot. But I just said you should know that. And I hope this video really helped you. So this was because a lot of people have been asking me the same question, that they want to buy another kind of light that is not the ring light. Some of them, the issue with the ring light was that it was big, bulky, carrying around, easy. But with this one, like I just saw, it's in the box. You can just carry your stand. I don't know. It's a lot easier to move around as against the ring light. So the difference between these two is this is orange light, this is white light. This is LED, which makes a lot of sense because it's energy saving. It's not a direct bulb. It doesn't get burnt easily. You know, this is LED. This is the regular stage light. So this is wire mesh, hardcore light, orange, very strong, but because it's heat. Orange light, white light. The difference between the two lights, so you can make a very informed decision. I know a lot of people have been calling me because I sell them, but I wanted to just make sure that you see for yourself, so that when you're asking, you know what to ask for, and then you know nobody's confusing you. So this is the control we're talking about. That's the back. Yeah. It's flexible, you can move it. You can move. It's flexible, you can move it. So this is what you use to key it. You can go in here and tighten it. You want it static. This side and this side. And then it stays put, it doesn't move. And this is the other stage light. That's what it looks like. Then this is the back. This one is the deep light. That's what it looks like. You can also control it here, and then slash. This is LED. This is LED, and this is mesh. So the bulb inside. This LED. So this is how bright it is. Can you see?